Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So Nifty Pharma, many of you are asking for the Nifty Pharma. What is going on in the Nifty Pharma? See, to be frank enough, this is a health issue right now. You know about the coronavirus thing. So it was related to health issue. Overall, Nifty Pharma, if you see this is a weekly chart, was in downtrend, completely downtrend. So what happened is it has taken a support near this. Previous weeks are already there at this zone, and then what this is a support here right now, and it is trying to come above it now. Should we what should be done in the companies? Let's discuss around like Cipla. Let's take about Nifty Pharma stocks. This is the composition of Nifty Pharma. Those who are not aware about index, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy. This is the weightage of Nifty Pharma. So Cipla, if you see, it's right now near the resistance zone. It has taken a support, good support near this zone ideally, and if it is crossing and give some correction, that would be good point of entry. That can be a good levels to watch for and can plan for a new entry. Lupin, let's see the Lupin is also near the resistance now. Divis Lab, if you see, kind of inside this candle only. If you see this Glenmark, is not showing much. This is the important level, though it has taken some minute support at this point, but seeing weak, not weak in the sense like obviously this levels, if holds, then good. This is a new immediate resistance here in the Glenmark. Or Pharma also not much, because why this Lupin and everything, there is a news also, and that because of that medicine, let me tell you, hydroxychloroquine manufacturing India. So mostly who manufacture, see, Ipca Laboratories and Zydus Cadila are the main manufacturers here in India. So you will see that. So Pharma not much impact obviously with the index. There is no other change in Pharma. Let's see Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma is again at resistance zone. So mostly majority of stock seems to be near resistance zone. If we see Biocon, PL I think doesn't. We'll check PL again, near this resistance zone again, kind of cup and handle. If you say this is the first handle and then cup, PL we have left out, so we'll see that PL was bearish kind of, but took a support near this level. Now this becomes important for any further things to be tracked. This is a support, and now almost, if we say, kind of resistance at this zone. So this is a game plan, and then if it stays, then we have a resistance here. Cadila, we have seen that Cadila is also near the resistance zone. Dr. Reddy, what is the Dr. Reddy? Dr. Reddy, kind of again you can see near this. So almost most of the stocks close near the resistance zone, if you see that up, and afterwards we have a high here. We can call this point, okay, this is the level right now. So overall what can be done is most of the major stocks which is having a news, so they are right now near the resistance zone, and if we get some consolidation or some corrections, then we will get a good opportunity for entry. Otherwise it will depend on news and how the things will be reacting. So those who are knowing me, those who are following me on Twitter must be knowing that I've already said this to plan about manufacturing sector, and the punters will play the game on the 3rd March itself. So those who have prepared for it and got the good levels to catch afterwards, because there was a fall afterwards on the 3rd March till 12th of March if you see the pharma sector. So overall, obviously this was a very common sense idea. We have to look upon that pharma can have a impact, because this is a health issue. So pharma companies tend to be in the rising, or punter games seems to be a good possibility. So if you see, almost like 23rd March, 12 March, it has come and formed a base here. We can go to daily charts and see that also is structure. So kind of it's like V shape, almost V shape kind of recovery in the pharma, obviously because of this medicines and everything, and rest other stocks are near the resistance. uh, Kind of caution here when if you are already entered in the place, and we can have a strict trailing stop loss. We require some corrections. Okay, thank you, have a great time. If you like the video, please do share among your friends. Do like it, because if you like it, it will help me motivated to make more such videos. Thank you very much, have a great time, stay safe, stay healthy.